morning, grade 3. I am Miss Yasmin and this is new lesson, the system unit. Let's start. Look for all of those parts of the computer. We call it components or parts. Okay, but today we will learn those parts. It has two parts: input devices and output devices. What the difference between input devices and the output devices, and what the parts we call it input and what the parts we call it output devices. We will learn today inshallah together. Let me ask you one question. This is the first question. When you type your name, for example, Yasmin here, I write my name. What will happen? When I write my name, the letters enter to the system unit. Okay. When you when you write anything by the keyboard, direct it will go inside the system unit. Okay. After that, it will go out to the screen. That means that the keyboard input information inside the computer case, the system unit. Okay, this for the keyboard. Now we know the keyboard one from the input unit. The keyboard one from input unit. Don't say the keyboard output. No, you see by yourself. If you write anything, it will enter inside the system unit. After that, it will exit from the system unit to the screen. Or if you print it, it will exit from the system unit to the printer. Okay? Okay, now we will see mouse. If you draw by the mouse in the paint program, okay, you draw by the paint program, what will happen? Your drawing, it will enter inside the computer case. Okay, after it's enter, it will go out to the screen or printer. Screen or printer. Okay? Again, when you draw by the mouse, it will enter the drawing inside the system unit or the computer case. After that, the computer case make processing and exit the information to the monitor or printer. That means monitor and printer output devices and keyboard, mouse input devices. Okay, do you got it? Not yet? Okay, we will complete. Now when you record your voice, you talk and record your voice as I do now. Now I'm recording my voice to teach you. Okay, when I record my voice enter inside the system unit. That means the microphone is input devices. The microphone also input devices. Okay, after the system unit make processing, it will exit. How it will exit? Yeah, it will go to the speakers or headphones. Speakers or headphones. That means speakers and headphone output unit, output devices. Output devices. What about the microphone? Of course, it's input devices. Input device. Okay, now as I told you, when we write anything in the keyboard, it will go to the screen or printer. Okay, what about if I record my voice? It will enter inside the system unit. After entering the system unit, it will exit to the speakers or headphones. Okay, now you know keyboard, mouse and microphone, all of them. What? Tell me. Yeah, input unit, input devices, and this we call it system unit. The computer case we call it system unit, and those we call it input devices. What about those? What we call them? Yes, of course, output devices. Okay, don't forget, this is a very important information. Don't forget at all. The system unit, what will do? Save information inside it and make processing for the information or data. Okay, what the keyboard do? Keyboard, we write by the keyboard the text enter inside the computer case or system unit. After that it will go out to the screen or to the printer. Mouse, the same thing. When you draw, it will enter inside the system unit and go out to the screen or printer. Microphone, if you record your voice, it will enter the system unit and go out to the speakers and headphones. That means speaker, headphones, printer, screen, output devices, and keyboard, mouse, microphone, input devices. Okay, now let's complete our lesson. Open page number 12. Okay, they said here in that page we have laptop and we have a desktop computer. Okay, where is the system unit? Of course, all of you will tell me this is the system unit. What about the laptop? Where is the system unit for the laptop? Of course, the laptop should have system unit. Where is it? Yeah, it's under of the keyboard. Under of the keyboard. Okay, now this is the information. We have it. We have two kinds of the computer, laptop computers and desktop computers. This is laptop computers, the system unit under the keyboard, and here the desktop computers, this is the computer case or the system unit. Okay, and here they explain to you, as I told you before, the system unit connected the input devices to the output devices. You see, this is input devices, enter, and it connect with output devices. Okay, in previous lesson it was made clear that the information has a single direction. Yes, this is a direction for the information. Information entered from the keyboard until the system unit and go out to the screen. Information enter from the microphone, enter the system unit and go out to the speakers or headphones. The mouse enter the information inside the computer case or the system unit and go out screen or printer. Okay, the information enters the system unit and then exit it. Yes, enter and exit from the system unit. What are the components found inside the system unit? Yes, there is a component inside the system unit. What happened inside the system unit? Let us see together. We will go to the next page. Oh, they open the system unit. This is inside the system unit. Look, it has a lot of cables. They connect together by the cables. Okay, in the system unit you find a motherboard, the hard drive, the RAM, and the central processing unit. Okay, the motherboard, all of this is a big pieces, we call it motherboard. And this small pieces we call it RAM, and this one hard drive, and this one central processing unit. Okay, for what we use those parts? Now it's important to know information about RAM. and hard drive. RAM and hard drive. They are for saving information. Okay. What happens inside the system unit? Inside the system unit, information is saved. Inshallah, in the next lesson, I will tell you how you will save the information. I hope you enjoy in this lesson. Please study it very well. And don't forget to solve your homework in class live. Thank you for listening and bye bye. See you next week.